In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on substitutions in logarithms, and it means that we are going to be substituting some logarithm of a numbers with a variables as provided in the question. So let's solve this question. We have that given that x is equal to log 2 and y is equal to log 3, then we're asked to express log cube root of 72 in terms of x and y. So solution. So we are given log cube root of 72. This log cube root of 72 can also be written as log 72 raised to power 1 over 3, because 1 over 3 is something as cube root of, So we can now bring this thing in front of this log 72 to be 1 over 3 log 72. So how can we express 72 in terms of 2 and 3? So first of all, let's find the LCM of 72. Alright, so if 2 divides 72, it will give us 36. Then 2 go for 36 is going to give us 18. Then 2 go for 18 is going to give us 9, because 2 times 9 is 18. Then 3 divides 9, it will give us 3. And then 3 divides 3, it will give us 1. So the LCM of 72 is that we're going to multiply all these numbers. So it's going to give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now 2 times 2 times 2 is going to give us 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, then times 3 times 3 is 9. So 72 is same thing as 8 times 9. So this becomes 1 over 3 log 8 times 9. Alright, and so this becomes 1 over 3 log 8 plus log 9. So you have 1 over 3 into log. Now this 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, because 2 times 2 times 2, as we have established earlier here, is equal to 8. So 10 plus log 9 can be written as 3 square, which is this 3 times 3 here. So this becomes 1 over 3. I don't know what's happening in mine. So this becomes 1 over 3 into, now I'm going to bring this 3 forward here and then bring these 2 forward here. So we have 3 into log 2, then plus 2 into log 3. So let me make some spaces here. So let's distribute 1 over 3 to this bracket. So 1 over 3 times 3, and then 1 over 3 times this. So I have 1 over 3 times 3 log 2 plus 1 over 3 times 2 log 3. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel. We have log 2 plus, then 1 over 3 times 2 will give us 2 over 3 log 3. But then here we are given that x is equals to log 2. So we are going to substitute log 2 with x, then plus 2 over 3. We are given that log 3 is equals to y. So 2 over 3y. So in this question, this becomes our answer. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and then comment. It will help YouTube algorithm to suggest my videos to other viewers. Thank you as you do so. So let's go ahead and solve question number 2. So question number 2 we have here, it states that given that log 3 is equal to 0.4771 and then log 5 is equal to 0.699, evaluate without using tables log 1.8. So solution, log 1.8, 1.8 when converted to fraction, 1.8 to convert to fraction, we're going to this decimal point, we are going to write 1 under it, and then the remaining figures will be represented by 0. So this becomes 18/10. So this log 1.8 can also be written as log 18/10, and then when simplify further, 2 goes for 18 will give us 9, 10 divided by 2 will give us 5, and so this becomes log 9/5. So everything we're doing here, we're going to make sure that we have 3 and 5 in our logarithms. You get, we are trying to find a way of getting 3 and 5 out of the equation we're asked to solve. You get, so log 9/5 when simplified can be given as log 9 minus log 5. So this is equals to log 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2 and then minus log 5. So we are going to bring these two forward here. So it becomes 2 log 3 minus log 5. So let's go ahead and substitute log 3 with 0.4771 and then log 5 with 0.699. So this becomes 2 into, we're given that log 3 is 0.4771, then minus log 5 is 0.699. And so when you point this in your calculator, you are going to get 0.2552, and so this is our final answer. Now if you check, you see that log 1.8 is close to this in your calculator, so this is an approximation of the actual number, but it's still the correct answer. So let's go to the third and last question. So please, if you are enjoying this video, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will encourage me to make more videos like this. So question number 3, it states that given log 10/7 as x and log base 10 of 2 as y, evaluate log 10/35. Now our aim is to get log 2 and log 7 out of this 35. So any other number you're going to get there cannot work as far as this question is concerned. So solution, so this is log 10/35. So this is log 10. So 35 can be written as 7 times 5, because 7 times 5 is what? Is 35. And so this becomes log 10/7 plus log 10/5. But if you look at what we are given, we are given log 7 and log 2. We already have 7, but we don't have 2. So how do we get 2 from this 5? We know that this 5 is equal to 10/2. Alright, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. And so we are going to substitute this 5 with 10/2. So this becomes log base 10 of 7 plus log base 10 of, we are going to substitute 5 with 10 over 2. This becomes 10 over 2. So this is equals to now log 10/7 plus log 10. Now this is division. We're going to write log 10 minus log 10 2 from the law of logarithm we've discussed. So this is log 10 then minus, because it is division, log 10 2. And so we have gotten our 2 and 7 that we are given in the question. So let's go ahead and substitute these values we are given. So we have that log 10/7 is equal to x, then plus log 10/10 is equal to 1, then minus log 10 2 as we're given in the equation is y. So the final answer is equal to x minus y plus 1, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends so that they will be able to benefit from this video. Have a nice day.